Kia ora whanau. This is day 35 of our daily activity challenge, and I'm Kavneet from Green Prescription Sport Auckland. And today's session is all going to be about easy yoga poses for joint movements, and especially in the winter season when we want more joint mobility, joints to be more fluid and warm. So these poses will really help you get that warm up in the joints. Do try them out, and we'll start with sitting in a comfortable cross-legged position with a spine straight, neck looking straight, shoulders are steady, core engaged, belly button to the spine, so the core is nice and strong, hands relaxed on the thighs, and we're going to start with a side bend. So I'm starting with bending on my left hand side of the body. So placing the hand securely on the left hand side, giving a slight bend to the elbows, bending and sweeping over my right hand over and above my head and looking upwards. So giving a good nice stretch to my ribs, opening up the rib cage, breathing consistent. To repeat it on the other side of my body, right hand securely placed on the mat, slight bend in the elbow while the other arm goes over and above, looking upwards, giving a good nice stretch to the entire body, energizing and relax. Now for the next one, we'll come into a thunderbolt pose, which is holding the legs and resting your hips firmly on the ankles. Now if you're unable to sit up in a thunderbolt pose, you can either keep sitting cross-legged, or you can also extend your legs out in the front in a staff pose. Yeah? So I'm sitting tall, my core still engaged. I'm going to take up my right hand over and above, take it towards my upper back. Now nudging, giving a slight nudge to my elbow with the left hand, giving a good deep stretch to my back and my triceps. So this is a triceps stretch, and relax. Now we take the left hand to my upper back, holding it with the opposite hand and giving a good nice stretch, deep stretches in the spine, and relax. Now for the next one, we're going to come in a staff pose, which is legs extended outwards, still sitting up tall. Now for this one, I'm going to pull up my right knee, bring it to my chest. The foot is off the mat. Now exhale, fold the leg. Inhale, and fold the leg, and exhale and bring it outwards. Inhale and take it towards your chest. Exhale, out. So this movement warms up your knee muscles. You can of course do it at your own pace, whatever is more comfortable. Repeat it on the other side of the body. Take the knee, bend it to your chest, support the thighs with your hands. Inhale, exhale, stretch it outwards. Inhale, take it towards the chest, and do multiple repetitions as per what is your comfort level to warm up the knee muscles. For the next one, it's an easy pose. We're going to stand up and stand a little wide than hip width apart. Now I'm going to turn my right foot outwards and also bend on the right hand side of the body. So I'm going to bend on the right hand side of the body. My left foot is also facing right. Sweep my hands upwards and palms together, making sure that my abdomen is nice and strong, my spine is curved. So this is the warrior pose, energizing entire body, deep warm up, deep stretch, and relax. We can do it on the other side. So bending now on the left hand side of my body, right foot also facing in the left direction. The core steady, the abdomen strong, bending to my capacity, and take your hands over and above, palms together, holding this position for a couple of seconds, energizing the body, and relax. Now for resting and like a relaxation, you can stand with your feet together, arms Go over your head again, folded above my head, and I will gently bend down in a forward standing fold, bending from my lower spine, knees are slightly bent, and shoulders are steady. Now you can sway side to side to open up the lower back muscles while also relaxing the spine. So try and do multiple repetitions of these guys and let us know how it goes out for you. Just a pro wellness tip from our side to you. This week, try and boosting your vegetable intake, and you can start this by creating a rainbow on your plate. By a rainbow, we mean try and eat different colors of fruits and vegetables on your plate, and it makes sure that your immunity is boosted and you get heaps of vitamins and minerals. So let us know how it goes out for you. Keep safe and keep healthy. Thank you.